Our focus on verdict tonight. Why has America's President Barack Obama staked his political future on healthcare? Why is it such a huge political issue for, well, what's considered the most developed country in the world? And why isn't it an issue for our politicians? In some states, there are schemes that are working. Let's just look at Karnataka, where you can get health insurance even for major surgeries for just a few rupees a month. But why is it that Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh are the exceptions rather than the rule?
Man Bahadur and his wife Parvati came to Karnataka from Nepal 36 years ago. 2 years ago, the family joined the Yashaswini health insurance scheme at an annual cost of 160 rupees per person. When Parvati needed a cataract operation, she went to the reputed Narayana Nethralaya for a consultation and has just had her cataract surgery there.
My mother was telling that, no, it is too cost, I don't want. Then we make her to so convinced that no, it is not, it will be so cost, it will be free. Then yesterday she went and she get operated there.
And how much did they take at the hospital? How much money at the hospital?
No money, nothing. They have not taken any money. It is from Yashaswini, full from the Yashaswini card only. Okay. Full, no money. They have not taken for the doctor fees also, then operation fees, no, nothing.
The secret is in the numbers. There are more than 4 million members of the joint scheme between cooperative societies and the government of Karnataka. Small contributions multiplied by millions cover the cost of treatment at 300 hospitals around the state. More than 390 crores has been collected in the 7 years of the scheme's existence from members, the government and donors. Over 2,64,000 surgeries have been conducted, including 44,000 cardiac surgeries. For millions of people around Karnataka, the Yashaswini Micro Health Insurance Scheme is a lifeline. For just a few rupees a month, they are covered from things like cataract surgery to even heart surgery at no extra cost. In a country where affordable health insurance is often hard to come by, this is a success story. With Alphonse Raj, Maya Sharma for NDTV.
Well, the question I'm asking you on verdict tonight, as Obama stakes all on healthcare, why are issues like healthcare not important to Indian politicians? We've seen rare exceptions in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, but what about the rest of India? The figures are shocking. SMS us, India Space Yes or India Space No to 56388. You can also log on to ndtv.com and join tonight's debate live, or write to me at ndtv.com/Sonia. Well, let's just go across to my special panel now. Let me begin with Dr. Sanjeev Bagai, who's actually been studying this issue and the kind of coverage that Indians get as compared to other countries in the world. Dr. Bagai, what for you is the big picture, the status of healthcare in India?
I think healthcare in India, like in any other country, especially for us since we are still in a developing range of our nation as far as healthcare and economics is concerned, is of paramount importance. At the moment, we have 1.2 billion population of what can be counted, and we are adding 26 million newborns every year to our population. Having even said that, it is important for us to realize that we have a large gap as a deficit still to cover. As we speak today, in today's date, in today's program, we still need 7.5 lakh beds as patient beds. We still need 1.4 million doctors and likewise nursing staff. So it is pointless to put up hospitals unless until we have adequate amount of infrastructure to produce the required doctors and the nursing staff.
Right.
I think the local government, the Delhi government and the national government are doing a fair bit to give them due credit. But we still have a long distance to go. What is important is at least the Delhi government locally has recognized the fact that we need to percolate down outside the major metropoles and go down to the peripheries.
Right.
And we've had a series of discussions with the local health ministers and the Lieutenant Governor. And the most rewarding thing is that whatever implementation we are asking for is actually now being delivered. So it's compliments to them.
Tuba.com,